subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for regular beauty updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this makeup look and I have used new launched Love You So Mochi collection by NYX Professional Makeup. It's exclusively available on NYX, so don't forget to check it out and watch my full video. I will be swatching whole the new collection in the end of this video. Before starting my makeup, I am using this face mist by Wand skincare brand. I have already done a review video on this product, so don't forget to check out my previous video. Now I will take Total Control Drop Primer from NYX Professional Makeup to prime my face. I am using this Sigma flat kabuki brush. If you want to buy, you can use my discount code PrettySush10 to get some discount on all Sigma products. This primer makes your skin soft and smooth and gives you matte finish. Moving on, I am using Total Control Drop Foundation and this is one of my favorite foundations. I am using brush to blend this foundation because it is quite liquidy. I would suggest you to use brush instead of beauty blender to blend this properly. This is HD Studio Photogenic Concealer from NYX Professional Makeup. I am using this to hide my dark circles. I'm using this Glam Aroma Perfect Blend makeup sponge to blend my concealer. For face contour, I'm using this NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Stick. Again, using the same sponge, I'm blending my face contour. And I'm really loving how my base makeup turned out. I'm using this Maybelline loose powder and with the help of Mochi Beauty 102 brush, I am setting my under eyes and T-zone. I absolutely love this electric pastel eyeshadow palette from NYX Professional Makeup. I'm taking this lighter shade and using it on all over my eyelid and blending it nicely. Now I'm taking this bright pink shade and using it in outer corner of my eyelid. Taking this yellow shade on a flat brush and using it on the middle of my eyelid. To finish my eye makeup look, I'm using this NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner. I'm applying bright pink shade little bit on my lower lash line. I'm using false eyelashes. If you don't like it, you can skip this step. For lips today, I am using this Powder Puff Lippy by NYX Professional Makeup and this is in the shade of Group Love. Now I am using What the Hype mascara. This is my favorite mascara from NYX Professional Makeup. Moving on, I am using this blush from Estee Lauder. I am softly applying blush with the help of Mochi Beauty brush B104. To highlight my face, I am taking this Love You So Mochi highlighting palette. It's called Lit Life. It has 3 different shades of highlighters. Now I'm going to show you the swatches of this amazing Love You So Mochi collection by NYX Professional Makeup. Let's begin with the eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is available in 2 different color combinations. They each have 10 bouncy eyeshadows. I feel silky to the touch and colors are really fun and pigmented. Electric Pastel palette has all shimmery shades and this Sleek and Cheek palette has one matte shade. It gives lightweight matte to shimmery finish. Let's see this gorgeous highlighting palettes. Each palette has 3 different shades of highlighter. It has soft and pillowy texture as it is inspired by Japanese ice cream mochi and it delivers intense color payoff. It gives glossy and glowy finish. I really love the color collection in these lippies and they are really good. I have tested on my lips. It feels really comfortable and hydrating. It has soft pillowy cushion applicator. When you apply it, it feels creamy, but it sets into powdery soft finish. So this is my final look. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.